Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and I am at Reagan National Airport. And I am on my way to London and Scotland, England and Scotland. Now, we've hit an interesting snag here. We were supposed to be already in England today. But the problem we have is that we flew American. And American got here 2 hours late, and everything we had booked was canceled. So my wife last night spent hours rebooking everything. The problem is no transportation. So we have been living in this terminal overnight. We're going to stay here tonight, and then we have to go to Dulles. And that's where we fly Aer Lingus out of Washington to Heathrow. So it's been an unusual little experience, and I'm not exactly happy with American Airlines. We've flown them before, and this has happened before. And today there's like 400 people that have their flights canceled, and you can imagine how that's going over. So in any case, we're going to walk around here, take a look at Reagan National, some of the more historic spots, and see what the vibe is. So with that, let's take a walk around. So you can see here, American Airlines. And this seems to be the new part of Reagan International, Reagan National, I guess is what they call it. You can see the designs, a little more modern than what we typically would see. And then we end up going over into what I would consider the older part, the original. And we'll take a walk down through that too. Someone laughed. Not everybody understands vlogging. A little slip there, but we're back at it.
The moving walkway is ending.
And here, this is the older section. Much more majestic, much more interesting, architecturally. High windows. We'll take a walk down through here. Terminals. We spent last night there. Doing a little construction here. And here we'll take a quick look at the map. It's 81 out.
Please maintain control of your personal belongings at all times. Unattended baggage is subject to search, inspection, damage, and removal. Do not accept items or packages from unknown individuals. Unattended vehicles may be ticketed and towed.
As I said, some construction's going on, but this is the Delta end. And JetBlue. Let's go back down the other end. Take another look at it. See the Capitol building in the background there. Right there.
Just to see where you're at. He's not going to make it to Des Moines, though.
No chance for it.
Due to increased TSA security measures, only ticketed passengers are permitted beyond the security checkpoint. Thank you for your cooperation.
Maybe not.
And you can see we're coming back into the newer section of the airport. They have these little motorized walkways, which I'm sure you're all familiar with.
Walkways ending. Caution. The moving walkway is ending.
A little more of the Skyline there. And we're pretty much back where we were before, where we started. This final walking by, customer service, and these people all have to rebook their flights. We had to do that last night. Yep, this is a line of people trying to rebook their flights. Just dropped here and, oh well, and it's American Airlines. Very interesting. Well, let's walk over here. And oops. Almost hit. We'll go over this way. It's a busy place, as you can tell.
That's all our insurance companies, and so were some community groups. They also wrote into it.
So I hope you liked our look at Reagan National today. You got to look around, and thanks for the walk around with me. Please remember to subscribe, ring the bell, click the like, and share with friends. So that's it for today. We'll have more coming out of London, and maybe a little more out of Washington. Talk to you later. Bye now. Have a nice night.